Samantha is having a bath at the moment. Samantha is having a bath at the moment. We're going to have a party next Saturday. We're going to have a party next Saturday. She usually has breakfast at 8 o'clock. She usually has breakfast at 8 o'clock. The modal verb have to. The modal verb have to. Have to express the obligation or that something is necessary. Examples: I have to get up early tomorrow. I have to get up early tomorrow. Do we have to leave now? Do we have to leave now? You have to go and see her. You have to go and see her. I have to wash my car today. I have to wash my car today. He has to write a report. He has to write a report. I had to go to the bank yesterday. I had to go to the bank yesterday. When used in negative form, have to means that something is not necessary or mandatory. Examples: we don't have to work tomorrow. We don't have to work tomorrow. He doesn't have to work in the evening. He doesn't have to work in the evening. I didn't have to make my bed when I was living with my parents. I didn't have to make my bed when I was living with my parents.